Welcome to DIY Saturday with me, your host, Shundara. Hey, all you savvy naturalistas and Ohana, welcome to another episode of DIY Saturday. But hold up, if you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe so you can join our awesome Ohana, our awesome family. I would love to have you a part of our family. Make sure you're following me on all my social media sites. Make sure you're subscribed to my vlog channel if you would like to get to know me better. Also, make sure you check out savvynaturalista.com for all your skincare needs. So in this episode of DIY Saturday, we are making an orange essential oil baking soda exfoliating scrub. I know it's a long name, but a lot of you have been asking me to make a better scrub that was less harsh on the skin. So this is perfect for people with sensitive skin, people who get redness from sugar scrubs, people who get redness from very coarse scrubs like coffee grounds, sugar scrubs, salt scrubs. If those scrubs make you a little red and you want something a little softer and soothe your skin, especially during this dry January that we have almost every year, make sure you check out this recipe. So you guys, we're going to get into this recipe and let's go. Let's roll out. So in this episode of DIY Saturday, we're going to make our baking soda exfoliant body scrub. This is a perfect scrub for those with sensitive skin. So if your skin is sensitive and you like a good orange body scrub, then give this one a try. So we're going to start off with 1 cup and 1/4 cup of baking soda. So let's add the clumpy baking soda first, you guys. So that's 1 cup, and then we're going to add 1/4 cup of baking soda. And now, you know, my measurements are pretty heaping, so you know, you can heap it or you can keep it at 1/4 cup, but this is the perfect exfoliant, especially if you have sensitive skin with the dry weather. So you want to take out all the clumps out of it, so just make sure all the clumps are out, and we'll do that by mixing it in. So I got a lot of feedback from you guys on me turning this channel into a total skincare channel, and that makes me happy because you guys know I've been really, so I'm going to take the clumps out with my hand right now, but you guys know I've been really wanting to turn this channel into more of a skincare channel. Initially, that's where I started on my blog. It's why I opened my store. I have a passion for skincare. Y'all know I can't do makeup for nothing, but skincare and makeup are like 2 different things. I know they run in the same realms to certain people, but they're really 2 different genres of, I would say, artistry, if you would like to call it. But yeah. So thanks so much for your comments on me. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to turn this into a skincare channel, more skincare DIYs that you can get from the store, which I'm excited about. And also we're going to do more DIYs that are a little more professional, because a lot of people want me to help them start a business, and my business is not that booming to help y'all. And then you guys also want me to do like really cool skincare gadgets, so I'm excited at the route we're going for this channel. So once you've gotten all the clumps out, I mean, if you're using this for yourself, you really don't need to get the clumps out. But once you got all the clumps out, you want to add calendula petals. Now I'm going to use about 1 tablespoon of these. This is just optional. It's more for visual effect because this is like an orange body scrub. So I essentially wanted to go with the calendula petals to make sure it looks like orange, I would say, because I haven't made dehydrated orange pills or like orange zest in a while. So this is the alternative when you want to have it looking pretty. So once I've mixed that into this beautiful scrub, now we're going to start by adding our oil. So I don't want this scrub to be too oily. So what I'm going to do is add Miracle Glow oil, which you can find at savvynaturalista.com. Miracle Glow oil contains all natural 24 karat gold, 24 karat magic in the air, yo. And then you want to just add the drops. So I think I'm going to move Tasty Test Tuesday to my other channel. What channel is that? My my vlog, Shundara Life, my vlog channel. And also me and Josh are gonna do the Bean Doozle challenge on that channel, because I'm really excited to do the Bean Doozle challenge with Josh. Like, and we're trying to figure out what we're gonna do, like if I lose or if he loses. Most likely I'll lose, because I have extreme morning sickness. So I've been like literally you guys, like so sick is crazy. So you don't know how sick I've been. This whole entire pregnancy I've had morning sickness, and it is not fun. Pregnancy, I did not enjoy pregnancy. Y'all women talk about, oh, pregnancy is the best thing that ever happened to you. That's why I never got pregnant, because this has not been an enjoyable experience whatsoever. Actually, the best thing about me being pregnant, and I'll probably say this over and over, is because I'm lactose intolerant. So I got to eat cheese. My whole pregnancy I got to eat cheese. So I was so happy. Now I couldn't eat processed cheese, but organic cheese, natural cheese, and the real cheese at the grocery store, not the fake stuff, I could eat and never got sick or anything. That was the best thing. And I got to eat Doritos that I haven't had in ages. I swear processed food made me feel so much better during this pregnancy. But anyways, so we're gonna start off by adding 30 drops of essential oil. So I'm using Now essential oil, and like I've told you in many videos, I feel like Now essential oils are the best bang for your buck. If you're looking for an affordable essential oil, Now essential oils is good. You can add more if you like an extra scent, but please be careful. Essential oils do burn the skin, and I've learned that the hard way over the years. I used to just put a little bit in my bath water, and if you do that and you start feeling a burning sensation, get out right away and moisturize, or you will eventually over time get burns on your skin. With any type of citrus essential oil, this is specifically with citrus essential oil, so lime essential oil, lemon essential oil. If you're adding this to bath water just on its own, please be careful, because you will literally get burned. So be careful when using essential oil in your bathtub. So now we're going to add a half a cup of sweet almond oil. You can use any type of oil you like. Sweet almond oil is a little bit of a lighter oil right now, and I don't have alligator skin yet. For some odd reason, it's been really weird in Arizona. It hasn't been so dry, so I'm not needing a lot of oil. So I'm going to use sweet almond oil for this scrub. But however, you can use any type of oil you like if you decide. So once you've added your beautiful sweet almond oil, which we're adding just a half a cup, that's it. You want to start to mix this all together. You just essentially want to make sure it's combined. Now once it's combined, this is sort of a bit doughy, so I tend to like it to be a paste, because I like to just scoop out a little and smear it on my skin. But however, if you don't like it to be a paste, you can add another 1/4 cup of any oil of your choice, and that should add it up to 3/4 cup of any type of oil you are using. And you just want to mix it together, and it should be less of a paste. But most baking soda exfoliants, because this is a really good exfoliant for the skin, they are not, but it's less harsh as well. They tend to become pastes. So, but I really enjoy a good paste, I'm gonna be honest with you guys. But the more oil you add, the more of a paste, the less of a paste you will get. And also I want to mention about this scrub, try to keep it out of water just a little bit. Like, that's why I like it, because I really enjoy a paste. So you could just, just keep it out the shower, scoop up a little bit, rub it on your body, and you're done. I mean, look at this. This is a beautiful scrub. I really enjoy baking soda scrubs. They don't get enough shine as the sugar or salt does. So you guys, I want to thank you so much for watching this episode of DIY Saturday. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you follow me at Shundara on Instagram. Add me on Facebook. Make sure you like Savvy Naturalista. Also check out my Savvy Naturalista shop for soaps. We are adding the oil. I talked about my hyaluronic acid. I don't think I'm going to add it to the shop yet. because I don't feel like dealing with Shopify. I feel like they're a headache at this moment, and I will add it once I switch stores, and I don't have time to do that right now because I'm going through a pregnancy. So you guys, thanks so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Let's do a close-up. Beautiful, beautiful oil scrub. I want to do a bigger close-up. Let's get some. And thanks so much for watching. Boy, you guys.